Good morning, everyone. I'm not going to do much narration here. I'm just going to let the drone fly. But basically, it snowed a little bit yesterday. We got a beautiful sunny day today. And when I say snowed a little bit, it was just a light dusting, as you can see. But I thought, you know what? It's a beautiful sunny day. I'm going to take the drone out and just let it fly around the area and then bring it back in. So here you go. Going to pause here for a bit and focus in on the trees and then center up. Okay, so I have to admit here, I went into my editing software and I kind of brightened up the image a little bit so that it would look more, I guess, vibrant, because I've had some comments on how they look a little washed out, I guess would be the best word for it. So here it is with a little bit more brightness added, okay? To kind of compensate for the filter that I put on the drone. I flew out here about a mile and I knew that, it was getting to the point where the controller was going to tell me that I'm losing signal. So I went ahead and started my turn. And sure enough, right as I started my turn, the controller was telling me that I was losing signal. So I needed to start making a few more banks in order to get me back towards the house before I lost the control of the drone completely. Once it loses connection to the controller, it will turn around and head back home. But it does this 360-degree turn thing and then reconnects and goes straight home. And I didn't really want to do that. So I just turned it around and headed it home. At this point, I heard the drone overhead, so I'm probably, yep, there it is. There's my house right there. So I'm going to go ahead and stop it here.